Unraveling Slang. The Story of Muttonhead. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of English slang and idioms. In this video, we're going to explore the meaning, usage, and origin of the term Muttonhead. So, if you're eager to expand your English vocabulary with some quirky expressions, stay tuned. Let's start by understanding the term itself. Muttonhead is a somewhat old-fashioned, playful insult. It refers to someone who is a bit slow-witted or silly. Think of a person who doesn't catch on quickly or makes foolish decisions. That's a muttonhead for you. It's not a harsh insult, but more of a teasing or affectionate jab. Now, why would mutton, which is the meat of an adult sheep, be used to describe a person's intellect? The phrase dates back to at least the 19th century, and it draws a comparison between the perceived stupidity of sheep and a person's lack of sense. Sheep are often seen as docile and unthinking animals, hence the term's implication that someone is not very bright. Using muttonhead is quite straightforward. It's a noun, so it typically takes the place of a person's name or another noun. For example, don't be such a muttonhead. You can't push a door that's clearly marked pull. I can't believe I forgot my keys again. I'm such a muttonhead sometimes. Remember, because it's an informal term and can be seen as rude, it's best used in a light-hearted context among friends or people who understand the joke. While muttonhead is not considered very offensive, it's important to note that the acceptability of such terms can vary greatly depending on the culture and context. What's taken as a harmless joke in one place might be seen as insulting in another. So, always be mindful of how your words might be perceived by others, especially in diverse or international settings. And there you have it, a quick guide to the term muttonhead. We hope you found this exploration into English slang both informative and enjoyable. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication, but also a way to connect with others through humor and play. Until our next linguistic adventure, keep learning and don't be a muttonhead about embrack.